Welcome back to the channel, guys. Still raining out here. 4 bird feeders. A little icy. I don't know if they can get the bird seed out of that one. It's still loose, but pretty cool. I'll top these off though. So feeders are pretty, wild. There's quite a bit of ice on that one. Pretty cool though. The post is solid ice. The little stumps pretty covered. But we'll fill these back up so the birds can go back to eating. Get some food in them before it gets super cold. Catch you guys in the next.